So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope everyone is doing good in life. So before discussing today's question, let's move on to an amazing contest that is brought to you by Developers and Coders Club NIT Agartala, that is CP Titans 5.0. So DP Titans 5.0 is an coding heist contest that is organized by a club. This contest promises an electrifying experience filled with thrilling challenges. The date is 19th of March and the time is 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. So mark your calendars and be ready for this electrifying challenge. Now let's move on to the solution and the question. Okay. So the question is, you are given a string S and a character C, and we will return the total number of substrings S that starts and ends with C. Okay. Suppose we are given this S. Let's move to our notes and let's understand that. We're given this string A, B, A, D, A. Okay. How many substrings we can form that ends and starts with the word character A? Okay. The first one is A. The second one is A, B, A. If I see from this perspective, it's A, B, A, and it's A, D, C, A, D. It's A, D, A, D, A, and from this perspective, it's A, D, A, B, A, D, A, and ADA, and I missed two things. One is this itself A and this itself again A. So it's total of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I took somewhere extra, I think. Wait a sec. Somewhere extra. I took A. I took AB. Okay, I took ABA twice. No, it's correct. I took ABA. I took ABA twice, so remove this one ABA. It's not enough any use. I took ABA twice. So we have our six things, six substrings. That is A, ABA, ABDA, ADA, and A and A. It's six. Okay. So how we gonna formulate this? How we gonna do this in a way that makes our life easier? So let's understand the approach. First, we would go and we will see the number of A's that comes up. Okay, I will show you how. Suppose we are on this A. I will keep a condition that suppose we are on this A. When I am on this A, I will take a counter like counter of number of A's. Okay. When I'm this A, my counter will be 1. Right? I have encountered 1A and there will be a number of substring calculator and I will add 1 there. Means I will say that only one substring can be formed out of this A. Okay. Now I will travel and I will search for the second A. When I'm on this A, I will add that I have now two more combination that can be formed using this A. That is ABA and ADA. You can see here ABA and ADA. So my total number of suppose total number of substrings till now is 3. Okay. Now when I'm on this A, I have this one, that is full one this one, and one itself, like 3. So now I have an 6. So it's nothing that whenever I am on A, I will just do I will take a counter that will show the number of A I have met till now, and I will take a total, that is the total number of substrings that will be formed till now, and I will just add the number of counts there. That will signify that this A will have how many number of substrings. Okay, let me show you the code. That will be more clear when I show you the code. Okay, this is the code, basic code. What I did is I took two variables, that's the total and count. Total is for number of substrings, nothing else, and count is for number of zeros. Okay, sorry, number of that A, this one, the character we are asked for. Okay, number of asked character, number of asked character. After that, we'll go in a loop and we'll see that if our character is equal to the character we are asked for, okay, then we'll do a counter plus plus and we will add the number of count to the total. This total is nothing but the number of substrings, total number of substrings. I have shown you why. For each case, we'll keep on adding, and at last we'll get the total number of substrings. So this is going to the code, and let's see if it gets accepted. And yes, you can see that get accepted. So this is how we're gonna do this code. So if this video was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. With this, bye bye, take care.